So, for one reason or another, you've decided to make an investment in yourself and try therapy. But you've had a quick look online and the different types, people, and cost have all been a little overwhelming, and it's left you feeling lost, anxious, and confused. Don't worry, you are not alone. We are going to try to break down how to find the right therapy type and how to find the right therapist for you and analyze the cost of therapy and if it's worth it. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Identify your needs. The first step is to identify your needs. Are you dealing with specific issues like trauma or relationship problems? Or maybe you're just looking for someone to help you navigate life's challenges. Knowing what you need can help narrow down your search. It is a good idea to write this down and start your search here. This leads us into step 2, finding what type of therapy resonates with you. If you are feeling depressed like I was a few years ago, and you have tried the mindfulness approach preached by the masses on YouTube, it could be worth trying a cognitive behavioral therapy. Or if you are struggling with a relationship, it might seem obvious. But looking for a specialist in relationship counseling is a wiser use of your time and hard-earned money than someone with a more general and overarching specialism. Be specific to your needs and find something that is compatible to you and your goals. So, let's talk about compatibility. Finding a therapist you click with is crucial for the success of your therapy journey. Pay attention to factors like age, gender, and cultural background. Feeling understood and comfortable with your therapist is key. It's no good talking to a specialist in young women's anxiety if you're a 60-year-old male lacking motivation in the morning, which I have another video on, by the way. For this reason, I would search specifically around your reason for therapy, your age, gender, and cultural background to find the right fit with a person in a therapy type which resonates with you. We do not necessarily want to find someone from a different world who cannot relate to you and your beliefs. This leads us into the next step. Cost. Therapy can be expensive, but many therapists offer sliding scale fees or accept insurance. Don't let finances stand in the way of your mental health, as there are options out there. For me, the cheapest option I could find ended up being the best for my well-being and my savings. You can find a link to them in the description. That being said, don't be afraid to shop around. It's okay to try out a few therapists before finding the perfect fit. Also, it can be a good idea to write down some non-negotiables. Do you want therapy face-to-face? Or would therapy online from the comfort of your own home be the better fit? Always trust your gut and remember that finding the right therapist is an investment in yourself. So if we write down what we need help with specifically, search for what type of therapy has the best results for your goal, and then narrow that down further based on compatibility and our non-negotiables, and voila, we should be left with a handful of suitable therapists that you can try on a cost basis. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, you deserve to find a therapist who supports you on your journey to mental wellness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and remember a link to where I found my therapist can be found in the description. Take care, and until next time, stay well.